Welcome back to Trend Cars, your ultimate destination for everything fast, futuristic, and unforgettable in the automotive world. If you love performance machines that blend aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability, then you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we are diving into an icon that has returned stronger, sharper, and more exciting than ever. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Scirocco R, a hot hatch that is ready to shake up the performance car segment in a big way. The Scirocco name has always carried a special meaning for car enthusiasts. It represents bold styling, sporty character, and driving excitement. For 2026, Volkswagen has taken that legacy and reimagined it with a modern twist. The new Scirocco R looks more aggressive, more aerodynamic, and more purposeful than any previous generation. From the moment you see it, you know this car means business. At the front, the Scirocco R features a wider grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and an illuminated R badge that adds a premium performance touch. The hood has sculpted lines that flow into the windshield, giving the car a low and planted stance. The front bumper includes large air intakes and a sporty splitter that not only looks great but also improves airflow and cooling. Moving to the sides, the coupe-like roofline instantly sets the Scirocco apart from traditional hatchbacks. The frameless doors, muscular fenders, and bold character lines create a sleek and athletic profile. Large alloy wheels, likely ranging from 19 to 20 inches, fill the arches perfectly and emphasize the car's performance-focused nature. At the rear, the design continues to impress with slim LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and a dual or quad exhaust setup depending on the market. The rear diffuser adds an aggressive finishing touch, while the wide stance gives the Scirocco R a powerful road presence. Inside, the 2026 Scirocco R offers a driver-focused cockpit that blends sportiness with modern luxury. You get heavily bolstered sport seats with R branding, premium materials, and contrast stitching throughout the cabin. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable performance displays, including boost pressure, lap timers, and G-force meters. The center of the dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and voice control. A flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters adds to the sporty feel, while ambient lighting allows you to personalize the cabin atmosphere. Now let's talk about what really matters in an R model: performance. The 2026 Scirocco R is expected to be powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 330 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels through Volkswagen's advanced 4Motion all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction in all conditions. Buyers can expect a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic transmission, with some markets possibly offering a manual option for purists. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour should be in the low 4-second range, making this one seriously quick hot hatch. The chassis has been tuned for both performance and everyday comfort. Adaptive suspension allows drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and race modes, adjusting damping, steering response, and throttle sensitivity. Larger brakes and a sport-tuned exhaust system further enhance the driving experience. Despite its performance focus, the Scirocco R remains practical. It offers decent rear seat space for a coupe-style hatchback and a usable cargo area for daily needs. This makes it a great choice for drivers who want one car that can handle commuting during the weekend. Spirited driving on the weekend. In terms of safety, Volkswagen equips the Scirocco R with a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance. The 2026 Volkswagen Scirocco R is more than just a comeback. It is a statement that Volkswagen is serious about keeping performance cars alive in an increasingly electrified world.